Hey guys! So today I got my OwlCrate. I have still been getting these. I did have them paused for a couple months, but I really like this box, and honestly I've been reading most of the books. It's taken me the last couple months to get caught up, but I'm almost caught up actually. And I gotta say, I probably enjoyed about 90% of the books. There was only a couple of them I couldn't get into, but that ain't bad. And the other stuff that comes in the box is totally fun. So let's crack into this bad boy. Alright, so when you open up the box, this is what you're going to see. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I'm so excited. This literally just came today, and I am so stoked to get into this box. Okay, so the first thing in this box is this little candle. I actually really like these. They smell so good. This one is Through the Wardrobe, which is a Lion Witch in the Wardrobe thing. Kind of smells like fresh soap. Little bit of like a eucalyptus-y, spearminty, and like fresh scent. So not bad. I like it. They're soy candles. They're super cute little things. I actually have these like all over the house, to be honest with you. This is this month's theme here, and it is Hidden Worlds. Very cool. Cute little piece of artwork. I'm really liking the little animals. They're so cute. Okay, so here is this month's pin, and it is reflective of this. It's a very cute little owl. And then we have this little pouch here, and it's a violet purple color, and it has OwlCrate on it. Let's see what's inside. Looks like a little key on a necklace. Actually, it totally reminds me of the keys from, this looks like the key from Coraline, which is totally awesome. I love that book, and I love that movie. But look, it's got a button at the top. This is a Coraline key, and it's a necklace, which you won't be able to see on my black shirt, but yeah, this key is inspired by the story Coraline, and I really like it. Very cute. Okay. Alright, and then we have this. We dreamed together of the world remade. And it's a little zippered bag. So that is super cute. I like that. It's pretty too with the purple and the blues. So this is a zippered pouch to store all your souvenirs from many different journeys in your awesome zipper pouch. Inspired by Daughter of Smoke and Bone, which is one of my favorite books. So this is really awesome because I seriously love that book. If you haven't read it, go out, get Daughter of Smoke and Bone. It is one of the best series. It's fantastic. Alright, this is fairly heavy. Books are portals to other worlds and contain a magic all their own. We wanted to celebrate the power of the written word by including the stunning wall tapestry featuring an exclusive design by Evie Bookish. It will look so beautiful in your reading nook. Okay, so it's a wall tapestry. Books fall open, and you fall in. Very cool. So then we have a little sticker. Oh, and it's Alice in Wonderland. I love it. This is so cute. Oh, this is like the cutest little sticker ever. I think I will just set that there for now. And last but not least, we have this month's book. Okay, let's set that there. The Hazel Wood, a novel by Melissa Albert. Okay, let's crack this open and see what's inside. So we have the Hazelwood sticker sheet. Very cute. Very intriguing designs to make me wonder exactly what this is all about. Alright, so here is the letter from the author to tell us a bit more about it. Here's the little tidbit we get on this book. Alice and her mother have always been on the run, trying to escape the never-ending bad luck that seems to follow them at every turn. When Alice's grandmother, the author of the beloved collection of sinister fairy tales, passed away on her estate, the Hazel Wood, life goes from bad to worse. Alice's mother is kidnapped by one of the characters from her grandmother's stories. Alice will have to team up with Ellery Finch, who happens to be a huge fan of her grandmother's books and may have ulterior motives for helping her, and journey to the Hazel Wood in hopes of saving her mother. The Hazel Wood by Melissa Albert is a twisted and beautiful story that explores the dark side of fairy tales like never before. We hope you love this signed exclusive hardcover edition, as well as the letter from Melissa and the exclusive sticker set. All right, so it's signed. So there is the author's signature right there. Very cool. This actually looks like it's right up my alley. I love alternative fairy tales, and I especially love it when they make a dark twist. So very cool. I am super excited to read this one, and kind of sad that I just started a different book. But, you know, I'll get to it, and I'm sure I'll love it, because this is right up my alley. Lastly, in this box, we have the little magazine that tells you a little bit about everything. Here it is showing the exclusive edition, which is the green, and the regular edition, which is the black, which is really cool that we get exclusive editions of the books when we do OwlCrate. And the last thing is the kind of spoiler card for next month, telling us what next month's theme is going to be, which is Across the Galaxy. So very cool. And next month in the March box, you'll receive an exclusive candle. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Bye!
So this is Through the Wardrobe, which I'm guessing is a line. So this one is Through the Wardrobe. Good Lord, can I get through this? Okay. Bizcochito. No. No, lay down. No. Lay down. Alright. Oh, the worms, they get everywhere. Okay. We'll just stick those on my desk, yes. I'm gonna be finding these for weeks, guaranteed. It never fails. No! Stop! There's literally nothing else outside. Bizcochito, no! Stop, stop! Go lay down. No! Stop it. No! So yeah, I really like this. I think this is really cute. So yeah, I really like this. Stop! No, no! No! So yeah, I really like this. Oh my god! I will not let you be in here when I film if you're gonna keep acting like this. This is getting ridiculous. This is why you can't be in here when I work anymore. You stop. Bizcochito, no. When Alice's grandmother, the Hazel Wood... Wait. If it's signed, I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Here it is showing the exclusive edition. No. No.